It brings back one of my favorite characters, the vacuum cleaner store guy that is referred to as Adam's nemesis. I don't think that's fair. I don't think that's fair at all.
That man did nothing wrong. Adam did all of that to himself.
Adam picked a fight with a vacuum cleaner while that man stood nearby, and now he's a nemesis? No. That is not fair. Maybe the vacuum cleaner is his nemesis. Again, Adam picked that fight and lost. Not his fault. The vacuum cleaner, I mean. He was a boy vacuum cleaner. However, I will not take that
tell by the
sort of
hose.
bad mouthing.
That's my revenge for you breaking me earlier.